Hello everyone, welcome to Possible Tips. So in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can get Tiny10 theme on Instagram. So let's begin. So first of all, what you need to do is you need to open your Instagram. Okay, so after opening your Instagram, just go to this message section and now select any chat that you want to change the theme of the chat to Tiny10. So what you need to do is you need to click on this I button. Okay, on the top right corner, just click on it. Now click on this theme section, and now there you can see this is the theme that I was talking about. This is the theme that I was talking about, Tiny10. Okay, just click on this, and as you can see your theme has been changed to Tiny10 theme. Okay, and this theme will be relevant to the particular chat that you have changed. If you want to change all the chats to this theme, then you have to go to each and every chat and do the same steps. Okay, so I hope this video helped you out, and if this video helped you out, then please leave a like and let me know in the comments. And if you're new to this channel, then please subscribe and press the bell icon and make it to all, so that you never miss any update from my channel. And I would really appreciate your support, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.